This outstanding example of the 2010 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport right-side driver is offered by Fenton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Poto. When your newly purchased Jeep from Fenton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Poto comes with the Carfax buyback guarantee, you know you're buying smart. This Wrangler Unlimited Sport defines excellence in an SUV. It has the convenience of limitless boundaries paired with city sophistication. No matter the terrain or weather, you'll drive at ease in this 4WD-equipped vehicle. With exceptional safety features and superb handling, this 4WD was engineered with excellence in mind. If you are looking for a pre-owned vehicle that looks brand new, look no further than this white Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. More information about the 2010 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The rugged Jeep Wrangler maintains a strong cult following of off-road purists. It's a great choice for those who have an active, outdoor lifestyle that involves frequent off-roading and tough terrain. With its last full redesign in 2007, the Wrangler picked up modern safety features and a more refined driving experience without losing its distinct character. The Unlimited model has a backseat big enough to fit adults. What's more, Jeep claims that the Wrangler is the only true 4x4 convertible, which sets it apart from anything else in its class. Interesting features of this model are tough off-road ability, legendary following, and rugged style.